Hey guys, this is Eden and you're watching me on Filmy Mantra.
How is your life after Big Boss?
मैं शर्मिंदा हूँ बहुत सारी चीज़ों पे, but my parents never said anything to me. They were very like, it's okay, it's life, it's a learning lesson, you grow up from that. And the reason I'm so strong, that friendship was very short-lived, but yeah, औरत ही औरत की दुश्मन होती है. I'm telling you, most of the hate plastic वाले comments which doesn't make sense. Like, you're stupid. कोई प्लास्टिक नहीं डलवाता. It's called silicone. Please मेरे मुंह मत लगो because मैं बोलने पे आ जाती हूँ ना, then it's like you will cry yourself to sleep. So they're all like mid-aged women with kids. Dimple, surgery, this is made by doctor. Please guys, like find something new now. It's getting boring. One of them has a, मतलब इतनी छोटी सी बच्ची है उनकी, and a YouTube channel, and her bio is please check my daughter's YouTube channel. वो 2 महीने की है, उसका क्या का YouTube channel you have and you want to comment on me?
कभी-कभी उसे कहते हैं PR स्टंट है. तो how do you take up that?
मतलब क्या करेंगे? If you open my comments and you open any Star Kids comments, they also get the same. I think anything about my parents disturbs me. अभी बीच में I had seen something, a post where someone was claiming that
केरला स्टोरी 2 रिलीज हुई है फिल्म में. उस फिल्म रिलीज होने के बाद काफी कॉन्फ्लिक्ट शुरू हो गया है.
I just feel like we're all the same. मतलब हिंदू हो, मुस्लिम हो, क्रिश्चियन हो, सिख हो, एनीथिंग, वी आर ऑल वन एंड द सेम. अगर मैं अपना नस काटूंगी और आप अपना नस काटोगे तो आपका हरा और मेरा लाल नहीं होगा. सेम कलर है. मैं राशन बांटते हुए उनका रिलीजन नहीं पूछती हूँ. अच्छा आप हिंदू हो तो आप ये वाला बैग लो, आप मुस्लिम हो तो आप ये वाला बैग लो, अच्छा आप वो हो तो आप लो ही मत मेरे से. Are you stupid? हम यहाँ पे अपने ही हिंदू मुसलमान झगड़ों में रह गए हैं पीछे, बाकी सब तरक्की कर गए हैं.
टोटल 17 टैटूज है. तो 17 टैटूज के बाद आपको रिग्रेट हुआ?
I think that time people were saying that I'm married. You are in an unhappy marriage, but let's be honest. That's what my current partner is, the sweetest man ever.
Hi guys, this is Aruna Purve and you're watching me on Filmy Mantra. आपने कभी प्रिटी, ब्यूटीफुल, टैलेंटेड लड़की को पहले कभी देखा है? वेल मैं मेरी बात नहीं कर रही हूँ. इस वक्त जो हमारे साथ गेस्ट है, शी इज़ वेरी टैलेंटेड, ब्यूटीफुल एंड प्रीटी टू. जी हाँ, मैं बात कर रही हूँ इडन रोज की.
Thank you so much.
बहुत स्वागत है आपका फिल्मी मंत्रा पर. इडन, रोज़ा चल रहा है. सबसे पहले तो वही जानना चाहेंगे कि किस तरह से आप पूरे खुद को मेंटेन कर रहे हो और कैसे डील कर रहे हो इस फास्टिंग को लेकर.
I think normally every year मतलब जैसे लोग तलन वगैरह खाते हैं, I used to do a lot of that. This year I'm on a health conscious roza. I mean health conscious spiritually, mentally, everything. Everything is going fine. I'm very mindful मैं क्या खाती हूँ, क्या नहीं खाती हूँ, कितने बजे खाती हूँ, कितना नमाज पढ़ती हूँ. It's going good.
How is your routine overall from AM to PM?
Okay, my routine is not the best. So 6 is Fajr. I have sehri around like 5 something. Very unhealthy. No, you're supposed to eat something.
Yeah.
But मैं चाय से करती हूँ because like चाय. मैं चाय पीऊँगी या कॉफ़ी पीऊँगी ना तो मेरा दिन अच्छा जाएगा. तो सहरी पे I have चाय. Then मैं पानी पीती हूँ. And then Fajr होता है. Then I sleep. I sleep for like maybe 4 or 5 hours. Like I'm getting really less sleep. Then I wake up before Zohar. फिर मैं ज़ोहर पढ़ती हूँ and then असर है, then कुरान वगैरह हो जाता है, and then ऐसे करते करते if I'm working then I go out in the afternoon and you know the heat wave is so bad.
Yeah.
So that's there, and then evening Maghrib, iftar. उसके बाद after iftar I have like a language class because I understand Tamil, Telugu वगैरह.
Oh wow.
I'm learning speaking it. Yeah, my dad's Tamilian तो मुझे समझ आता है. Oh really?
Yeah.
Wow. I can understand Telugu, I can understand Tamil, Malayalam, so I'm taking like spoken classes.
Okay.
तो iftar is like 6:40, उसके बाद 7:30 to 8:30 मेरा language class होता है. फिर मैं जिम जाती हूँ 9 बजे.
Oh.
9 से 11 मैं जिम में रहती हूँ. फिर 12 बजे मेरी बाइक की क्लासेस होती है. So I'm like learning Royal Enfield because मेरी एक स्क्रिप्ट डिमांड है. तो I have that from 12 to 1. फिर मैं घर आती हूँ. फिर I stay up because क्या करूँगी मैं 3 घंटे सो के.
Correct.
So I'll like pray tarawih or something and I stay up. So I'm getting very less sleep, but ठीक है.
But
Schedule
fasting
ऐसा ही
में
है.
वर्कआउट करना डिफिकल्ट नहीं होता होगा?
Yeah, because मैं अपना iftar, like I said, I'm very mindful मैं क्या खा रही हूँ वगैरह. So iftar for me is like a huge jug of coffee and fruits. मैं कुछ भी नहीं खाती except fruits and coffee. तो working out at that time it's okay, but working out on that is a little difficult.
क्योंकि थोड़ा एनर्जी लेवल लो हो जाता होगा ड्यूरिंग
But
फास्टिंग.
it's okay. It's I think the roza magic मैं कर लेती हूँ.
आई थिंक मैंने इंट्रो में फिर बराबर बोला होगा द टैलेंटेड गर्ल. या यू आर एक्चुअली टैलेंटेड बिकॉज आप इतने सारे चीज़ों एक साथ
try,
कर रहे
I
हो
try.
बट ओवरऑल अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस फास्टिंग थिंग बाकी दिन कैसे जाता है आपका?
Good, mostly packed with work. कुछ ना कुछ रहता ही. I think very less days are there जब मैं बॉम्बे में हूँ that I'm home. Mostly I'm out and about. Mostly I'm not in Bombay. I'm
You're traveling.
Yeah, Chennai or Hyderabad shooting one of the places. But whenever I'm in Bombay, I'm not home. So चल रहा है, schedule चल रहा है.
How is your life after Big Boss?
We've gone back in a whole
So,
circle.
yeah.
My life after Big Boss was good. It's okay. It's good. It gave me the fame that everybody wants. I'm not too proud of a lot of things, but on the other side, yeah, it gave me a lot. Like it gave me fame, वगैरह. So yeah, it's okay.
बट वो कहते हैं ना कि बिग बॉस एक ऐसा रियलिटी शो है जिसमें हम पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं तो नाम बनता है और नाम घटता भी है.
Yeah,
तो आपके साथ कैसा एक्सपीरियंस था वो?
it's like आपका pair, like you can't have it on both. It's
Correct.
either a good thing or it's a bad thing.
Yeah.
For me, it's kind of mixed because I got a lot of love. I still get a lot of love. I have a lot of supporters, vagera. But also, like, hate comes hand in hand with it. So, it was a funny thing that we're speaking about hate. So, I woke up today, like, there was this a Sehri thing, 2 days ago. So, all of the pap videos were good, comments were good. There's this one video, jape it's ekdam zoomed in. ये शक्ल फेस का zoom in.
Okay.
And I look very pretty, okay? But उसमें I noticed every second comment is a woman.
Oh.
A woman and not even a woman like our age, like somebody with kids. ठीक है, because मैं मेरे में उतना है पंचायत मैं खोल के देखूंगी.
हाँ.
Okay, you're talking about me. Let me take a look at your
Exactly.
profile. So they're all like mid-aged women with kids. Dimple, surgery. This is made by doctor. Please guys, like find something new now. It's getting boring. मुझे बुरा भी नहीं लगता because you're boring me, bro. Why are you stating obvious things? मतलब जो चीज मैं खुद बोल चुकी हूँ शो पे वही आपको बोलना है. Find something new now. Let's get over this. Find something new. Every second person I see, doctor. Bro, I got my dimples and मैंने खुद चौड़ में बोला है ना. I'm like ठीक है, I got it done. Now what? Next कुछ और. मेरा काम तो चल रहा है, सब कुछ चल रहा है. Like it's not. Like it makes me feel like you're so unhappy. अब कितने unhappy हो मतलब आप रोज you're not in a happy marriage, you're not in a happy life because आपको क्या need पड़ रही है मतलब did you sleep better?
Yeah.
Comment
Yeah.
करके आज सुबह before coming I was like scrolling, I was laughing, I'm like how sad. I feel bad for you. Yeah, after Big Boss a lot of hate came but also a lot of support, a lot of love, so I'm grateful. जैसा भी था I'm grateful.
ऐसे कौन सा DM या फिर कमेंट होगा जो लिटरली आपको बहुत डिस्टर्ब कर गया?
I think anything about my parents disturbs me. Abhi beech mein I had seen something, a post where someone was claiming that they know me from before and that I didn't have a happy family life vagera. And I'm like, where is this coming from? First of all, I'm the only kid. My parents went above and beyond to give me everything that I wanted. I lost my dad last year, so I'm anyways sensitive on this topic. It's just my mom and me now. Of course, I have extended family, lekin immediate family mein it's just my mom and me. पेरेंट्स पे जब बात आती है आई फील बैड. एवरीथिंग एल्स लाइक आई डोंट रियली केयर. मतलब क्या करेंगे इफ यू ओपन माय कमेंट्स एंड यू ओपन एनी स्टार किड्स कमेंट्स दे आल्सो गेट द सेम प्लास्टिक वाले कमेंट्स व्हिच डजंट मेक सेंस. लाइक यू आर स्टूपिड. कोई प्लास्टिक नहीं डलवाता, इट्स कॉल्ड सिलिकॉन. अगर कोई डलवाता है तो सिलिकॉन डलवाते हैं. लाइक डोंट एक्ट अनपढ़, ग्रो अप. तो मेरे को ये सब फेज नहीं होता. बट एनीथिंग अबाउट माई पेरेंट्स ब्रो आई गेट मैड. लाइक माई फीलिंग्स आर हर्ट इमीडिएटली. सो या
ऐसा कोई रूमर है जो आपने आप खुद के बारे में सुना and
Yeah,
you laughed at all?
This thing na where they said that I didn't have a happy family life. What are you talking about? Anybody who knows me, I have come from a life of privilege. I have got everything my entire life and that's all because of my parents. My parents were always there for me. So the reason I'm here today is my parents. I have made n number of mistakes. मतलब मैं शर्मिंदा हूँ बहुत सारी चीज़ों पे, but my parents never said anything to me. They were very like, it's okay, it's life. It's a learning lesson. You grow up from that. And the reason I'm so strong is because of them. Like they built me like this. They shaped me like this. So yeah.
कभी कभी ऐसे जब कमेंट्स आ जाता है, काफ़ी पास्ट में भी हमने देखा है लोगों के ऐसे टाइप के कमेंट्स बाहर आते हैं, तो कभी कभी उसे कहते हैं PR स्टंट है. तो हाउ डू यू टेक अप दैट?
यार for me personally I would never want to. I know that there's this thing people say कि negative PR positive PR दोनों ही अच्छे होते. I can't relate. मतलब मैं relate नहीं कर सकती इस चीज़ से. I'd rather have no PR than have negative PR. And I'm also super close to the people who do my PR, like Sanjit, Sakshi and all. I'm super close to them. So they're like family. So normally also if it's not about PR or anything, I'm going to them with my problems. So I wouldn't expect these people to ever like get me, you know, negative PR dumb. I don't know how people work around that. I'd rather not, like if you've noticed, I've been very out because I'm busy working, so I've stayed out of the limelight for a few months. I let things simmer down. My mindset changed. मैं जो सोचती थी 6 महीने पहले तक या 1 साल पहले तक, मेरा जो mindset था बिग बॉस में रहने का, पहनने का, बात करने का, everything has changed. Like I've evolved. I've become more like womanly, more composed, more calm. So I kind of stayed out of the limelight, and I chose not to have any sort of not negative, not positive, nothing. I just chose my own path. And now I'm like, now that I'm back, I'm here. So negative PR मुझे समझ नहीं आता है, people saying that.
But Eden, ऐसा कोई रूमर है जो आप देखकर बहुत हंसे हो कि ओह क्या लिख रहे हैं ये लोग, क्या बकवास कर रहे हैं? कोई फनी रूमर?
Funny rumor.
Yeah.
I think बहुत like साल पहले, I used to, like when I newly came to India, I think that time people were saying that I'm married. इतनी अच्छी किस्मत नहीं है भाई, मैरिज एंड ऑल कहाँ लॉयल मैन कांट एग्जैक्टली. एंड नो, एट दैट टाइम आल्सो लाइक आई वाज टू यंग. आई एम 27 नाउ. आई केम इन 2020, मतलब 6 years ago, and people were like, she's married. No, to who? I wish, bro. No.
I wish.
Yeah. No.
But जैसे कि आपने पहले मेंशन किया, there were a lot of ladies commenting on your post. वो कहते हैं कि एक औरत ही औरत की दुश्मन होती है. Is it true that? How will you
I'm telling
defend
you, I'll
that?
literally take my phone now and show you. It's like a pap video. 30 वीडियोस में से एक वीडियो है जो एकदम zoomed in है, and वो zoomed in भी है तो it looks good, it's pretty. I can see people commenting like she looks pretty, ये वो. But the only hate I got is from women. I can literally show you. And I saw like maybe 6-7 comments, all married women, all with kids. One of them has a, मतलब इतनी छोटी सी बच्ची है उनकी, and a YouTube channel, and her bio is please check my daughter's YouTube channel. वो 2 महीने की है, उसका क्या का YouTube channel you have, and you want to comment on me saying dimples artificial है bro. Take a chill pill. और मेरा पहले कैसे था, I would respond to people, like I would reply back and I'll say mean things. मतलब मैं ऐसे बोलती थी कि please मेरे मुंह मत लगो, because मैं बोलने पे आ जाती हूँ ना, then it's like you will cry yourself to sleep. But अब मैं एकदम calm, peaceful हो गई हूँ जिंदगी में. So I see these comments and I feel bad for them. मतलब you are in an unhappy marriage, bro. Let's be honest. Because if you're in a happy marriage, आप सुकून से हर रात को सोते हो, you have a good life, you're not gonna feel the need to go on IG and comment on some random artist का video पूरा डॉक्टर मेड है. मतलब आप क्या did it let you sleep a little better? Then okay, ठीक है. क्या बोलूँ मैं?
But आपने कभी personally experience किया ये चीज़, एक औरत ही औरत की दुश्मन होती है types? Any of your friend in past ऐसे कभी कुछ?
Yeah, so many times.
Any
So
one
many
experience?
times. I've had my fair share of bad friendships. I can also say I must have been a bad, not must have, I'm definitely been a bad friend also in friendships. क्यों हम अपने आप को सिर्फ अच्छा देखा है? I'm sure, but yeah, there were so many instances where I used to like date this one guy, and I introduced him to one of my friends, and for once, like how we feel like men are the disappointment. So this girl, okay, if I say too much, okay, anyways, long story short, this girl, like I went to the washroom or something and she tried to get close to my person.
Oh.
Yeah, and I came to know a long time later, like after the breakup, कुछ साल बाद मुझे इस चीज़ के बारे में पता चला था. That friendship with that person was only like for 2 months. It was very short-lived. I kind of pitied her. That's why I took her in, like, okay, fine. I'm a very friendly person. So I took her in and all. And then I realized why people don't be friends with her. There is a reason. So that friendship was very short-lived. But yeah, औरत ही औरत की दुश्मन होती है. I'm telling you, most of the hate comes from women. Women have the most things to say. Women are the most cold-hearted. हमें ऐसा लगता है, like I'm also a certified man hater, don't get me wrong. Like I have a boyfriend, I'm in a happy relationship, but he's the only man I'm nice to. Other than that, I'm a man hater. But women, I'm a girl's girl, but women I can't relate. Like most of the hate, everything, women always have something to say.
हाँ, but after that, आपने आपके फ्रेंडशिप्स को चूज करने के लिए क्या क्या क्वालिटीज पहले देख लिया था?
Oh my God, I'm really bad. मतलब मैं wrong choices लेने में, wrong friendships बनाने में, I'm like first on that list. Yeah, like you know how sand run after red flags. I think I'm the sand.
पता है
मैं
रेड
चुन
फ्लैग
चुन के रेड के
है
पीछे
फिर भी
भागती
जाना
हूँ.
पीछे.
ग्रीन है, बेज है, मैं चुन के उसी तरफ भाग. Every 2 months my mom is schooling me on I told you about this friend. मैंने ये बताया था, ये बताया था. Every 2 months. मतलब ये बहुत constant. But also like alhamdulillah touch wood, I have the best of best friends also. Like I have friends of 17-18 years. मतलब जिनके साथ मैं बड़ी हुई हूँ दुबई से. I have like a few friends. One is Siraiki, one is Filipino. I have like a few friends in like a group in Dubai
Correct.
of people. Kunal, Dax, RJ, Hana. These people like I know them since years. We've been friends like forever. So yeah, I'm blessed also that way. And then I have friends who are like brothers to me also. So I'm blessed also, but I've had my fair share of like, oh my god, मैं क्या कर रही थी इस दोस्ती
Oh
में?
God, बाद में आंखें खुलती है.
Opportunist friendships, bro. Opportunist friendships. They're after your money, they're after your clout, stuff like that.
रिलेशनशिप में सुना था.
Yeah. But touch wood, my current partner is the sweetest man ever. No jealousy, nothing. Normally men get a little intimidated ना, women ज़्यादा successful हो.
Flexible होता है, एग्जैक्टली. वो कौन सा डायलॉग था कोई तो फिल्म का, अपने से ज्यादा एम्बिशियस
Yeah,
औरत को झेल नहीं पाते.
And then
types.
also like someone like me who's very मतलब I am intimidating as a person. I come off very strong. मेरे opinions बहुत loud है, bold है. But no, touch wood. My current partner is very nice. My current friends that are in my life are really sweet.
वो होता है ना, when girls are into a healthy relationship,
They glow.
healthy relationship तो
Certified.
फ्रेंड, ब्रदर, डैड, एवरीथिंग वो एक ही इंसान में देखते हैं. आपका भी ऐसा कुछ है?
Definitely. At no nazar, please. At the end of the day, like that is the person I want to go and speak to. That is the person I want to tell कि आज मेरे साथ ये हुआ, मुझे ये questions पूछे गए थे, ये हुआ, वो हुआ, मैं यहाँ गई थी. So yeah, definitely. That's like my ride or die person, no? I feel peace. Going back to him. at the end
सुकून
of the
चाहिए,
day,
प्यार
सुकून.
से ज्यादा सुकून की जरूरत होती है. सो टॉकिंग अबाउट दुबई, जैसे कि अपने दुबई की बात निकाली है तो जानना चाहेंगे दुबई और इंडिया में कितना फर्क आपको लग रहा है?
You know what, I always say this, I'm lucky that when I shifted to India, I shifted to a city like Mumbai because there's not much difference. यहाँ पे भी खुले मिजाज के लोग हैं, people are like that there also. You can wear what you want, you can say what you want, you can go out late at night. So initially जब मैं shift कर रही थी, I grew up watching a lot of Crime Patrol with my mom.
Oh my.
So my mom and me both were little sketched out, and my mom is like, you know, you have to be very mindful. तुम किससे क्या बात करती हो, क्या बोलती हो, because people are very vengeful. मतलब you know how we see. But then when I newly came, she was very skeptical. मतलब अगर मैं रिक्शा में घूमती थी या कहीं जाती थी, she's like, you don't know much, ये अनजान.
Okay,
like
correct,
for
हाँ.
me, it's a new place, right? But now, like I don't think my mom will even like check up on me unless like I'm saying something because she knows Mumbai is that safe. मतलब it's no different from Dubai. I don't get catcalled here. There's no eve teasing. I've never felt unsafe here or anything like that. So I feel like for me to adjust from a Dubai to Mumbai was very easy. The only thing I struggled with was जब मैं आई थी तो लॉकडाउन लग गया था. Other than that, the move and everything मतलब सेम ही है, कोई डिफरेंस नहीं है. यार आई ऑलवेज से दिस, आई फॉल asleep in Mumbai Ubers. Like I literally fall asleep. I'm tired, I'll sleep. Now इस इंटरव्यू के बाद भी I'll sleep because I'm tired. I always get dropped off at the right place. मैंने कभी भी ऐसा नहीं देखा कि उन्होंने गलत रूट भी लिया हो या something. उतना मेरे में है as a woman कि I can fall asleep in this cab and he's gonna drop me off under my building. And there's no question of me being unsafe or anything like that. So yeah, it's very chill. मतलब मैं दुबई भी जाती हूँ, my friends ask me, you know, how you holding up? I'm like, dude, it's very nice. You should come. It's really chill. Yeah, you can wear what you want. Look at the girls in Mumbai.
I know.
You can.
Correct.
You're safe, man. You can do whatever you want. Parents feel safe sending their kids here. People from all over India come and stay in Mumbai for a reason, na? Because it's super safe. एकदम bougie life.
Yeah. But ऐसा कोई हैबिट है आपका जो दुबई में अलग था, यहाँ आके आपको चेंज करना पड़ा?
I think the only habit, yeah, change. There I drive. I'm never the passenger princess. Everyone is my passenger princess over there. Family ho, friends ho. I'm the one who drives. I'll drive for 8 hours straight. मैं अबू धाबी जाऊँ. अभी recently I went on a trip. मतलब I went back to Dubai. तो मैं लीवा गई थी 4.5 hours back. I drive. Here I'm always the passenger princess of rickshaw वाले भैया.
Oh.
So yeah.
And traffic. क्या कहना चाहिए? आई एम श्योर दुबई में ऐसे ट्रैफिक तो नहीं देखा होगा आपने.
दुबई में, आई एम टेलिंग यू, हमारे आगे 4 गाड़ियां हो ना, तो आई एम टेलिंग माय मॉम, लुक एट द ऑडेसिटी आई हैव. अभी मैं गई थी दिसंबर में एंड मैं शेख जायद रोड पे थी एंड आई वाज ड्राइविंग एंड आई टुक माय मॉम आउट फॉर अ डेट एंड आई एम टेलिंग हर व्हाट इज दिस ट्रैफिक एंड माय मॉम इज लाइक, डोंट यू थिंक लाइक यू, मतलब यू जस्ट कम फ्रॉम बॉम्बे सो टेक अ चिल पिल.
करेक्ट.
4 गाड़ियां मेरे आगे, तो मेरे लिए दुबई में वो ट्रैफिक. एंड हियर मैं अभी
400 गाड़ियां होगी.
I know, मैं लुक टेस्ट पे गई थी अभी recently. I left, I'm not joking. I can prove it to you. I left from that office, Kandivali or something,
हाँ.
at 5 and I reached Sanjit in Warsaw at 8. I can prove it to you. Like this
Oh
is, and
my God.
he was, that's where he's like, you're a good friend, bro. You travel that distance. So I'm like, you see, 5 to 8, bro. I can take a flight from India to Dubai in 3.5 hours.
Exactly,
flight है
हाँ.
हमारा. उतना, and I was in a rickshaw, so, and this heat wave.
Oh. But अगर पंक्चुअलिटी की बात करें तो are you a person who comes on time or not on time?
My mom would love to answer this question because she thinks like मैं अपने dad पे गई हूँ. My mom is very punctual.
Oh.
मतलब अगर उनको यहाँ पे 5 o'clock आना है, वो 3:30 आके बैठ जाएंगी यहाँ पे. मुझे अगर 5 o'clock आना है, 5 o'clock I'm leaving my house, कि अच्छा 6 मिनट का रास्ता है, अगर मैं रिक्शा लूंगी तो मैं जल्दी पहुंच जाऊंगी. I'll be there like by 5:06, max to max 5:09. मेरे में 0, but I'm very punctual at work. मतलब on set वगैरह I'm punctual. 6 AM का कॉल टाइम है तो मैं जल्दी पहुंच जाती हूँ because I don't want to mess with them. साउथ में बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट है.
हाँ, साउथ में एक्चुअली
yeah, I'm sorry, like I'm very punctual there. Here, can't relate.
आपने स्टार्टिंग में मेंशन किया था दैट यू आर शूटिंग फॉर अ साउथ फिल्म एंड हैदराबाद में शूट होता है, तो वहाँ का खाना टेस्ट किया है कभी?
Listen, I just want to say that मैं जब हैदराबाद में रहती हूँ, मैं breakfast, lunch, dinner, I eat only biryani.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow.
My partner is also from Hyderabad, so वो इंसान भी कसर नहीं छोड़ते बात पे मुझे लाके बिरयानी देने के लिए. So I'm happy when I'm shooting in Hyderabad. Let's say in case I'm not eating biryani in Hyderabad, then I'm definitely eating shoyu. It's like Naga sir's place. It's like a sushi spot.
Oh.
Actually, I can't like. I feel bad कि मुझे ये दोनों, मतलब I'm giving you sushi and biryani. There's actually a lot of places in Hyderabad that I eat from. I could give you a list. मतलब अगर आप हैदराबाद जाओगे, I'll give you a list of like 25 places that you should eat from.
Whoa.
From those 15 will be biryani places and बाकी will be other
मुझे
things.
बताना because I'm from Hyderabad.
Bro. Oh my God.
Yeah.
तो फिर मैं क्यों बताऊँ? You already
नहीं,
know.
हाँ बट जानना है कि आप कौन से प्लेसेस की बात कर रहे
सिल्वर
हो?
स्पून की बिरयानी, शादाब की बिरयानी, चार मीनार, everything bro, everything. जुमेरा की बिरयानी, bro. That's like, I could go on about this topic. I'm very passionate about biryani. I'm telling you,
So
breakfast,
you love
lunch,
eating
dinner.
rice.
Yeah,
Rice.
yeah. Roti, shoti and all, I can't. So I grew up in Dubai. तो हमारे वहाँ khubz होता था. तो हम लोग वो खाते हैं. It's like a flat bread type of thing. So I've never grown up only eating chapati and roti. So now I can't. मतलब my thing is rice. Rice के बिना there's no meal. अगर मैं rice खाना छोड़ दूँ ना, मेरा weight loss journey कितना easy हो जाएगा पता है? But I can't.
But you are perfect. मैं अभी नेक्स्ट
Girly pop,
क्वेश्चन
I lost
पूछने ही
8
वाली.
kgs.
8 kg.
I was 64 in Big Boss. Now I'm like 58. Yeah.
बहुत वर्कआउट किया. अब तो मुझे वर्कआउट का ही सीक्रेट जानना है, क्या कैसे
Girl, you're leaner than me. What are you talking about?
फॉर द ऑडियंस.
मैं full sleeves क्यों पहन रही हूँ? Because my hands are fat.
कुछ भी. No.
I gain weight. Like this is the thing with women. We gain weight in the wrong places. I gain weight here and I gain weight here. गालों पे और हाथों पे आता है. It doesn't go anywhere
But
else.
yeah, it's still fine. वो थोड़ा ग्लो दिखना चाहिए.
मिस मैम, मेरा काम इतना है. वहाँ पे मेरा डायरेक्टर बोलेगा, why you looking so chubby? What happened to you? Not face. Go anywhere, not my face. 25% ज्यादा दिखता है ना सिनेमा स्क्रीन पे.
हाँ बट हाथ.
एक तो I'm South Indian, so I'm broad, चौड़ा. उसके ऊपर my weight goes here.
But
एकदम like.
हाँ साउथ के थोड़े होते ही है लोग.
Yeah, exactly.
वो बाद में लूज होता है. बट हाउ इज योर वर्कआउट रूटीन ओवरऑल?
So after Big Boss, I became very inconsistent. Before Big Boss, मैं बहुत consistent थी. Like I still love working out. It's just that अभी मुझे इतना time नहीं मिलता, but I go every day. I still make time. खास रमजान में I make sure I'm not missing because I'm here in Bombay. मैं travel करती हूँ ना तो problem होता है. When I'm in Hyderabad, it's a problem for me to work out. Chennai, it's a problem. Chennai also because 6 AM कॉल टाइम होता है हमारा, वी गेट डन लाइक एट मे बी लेट्स से 6 और मे बी 9. उसके बाद आप में ताकत नहीं रहती यार वर्कआउट करने की, बट एज एन आर्टिस्ट यू हैव टू. कुछ चीज़ें होती हैं, हमारी लाइबिलिटीज होती है. So when I travel, mostly it's a little difficult, but other than that, to sort it.
But you love more of strength training or functional? What do you prefer? Or
I-
yoga maybe?
I like lifting weights.
Strength
I
training,
like
lifting weights.
building muscle, lifting weights, keeping the hourglass in its stack.
correct.
Yeah. I used to hate doing cardio, but now I've started doing cardio also. मतलब मैं थोड़ा सा भी I'm very clean on my diet, what I'm eating वगैरह. And then because initially जब मैं Big Boss आई थी ना, मैंने crash diet किया था. तो क्रैश डाइट के चलते एकदम मेरा वेट लॉस हुआ. आई केम डाउन टू 57, बट आई kind of lost my charm. My mom, my friends, everybody is like, you know, you lost your charm because
Correct.
there are certain people who look good in a certain type of way. तो मेरे लिए this looks good. जब मैं बहुत सुकट जाती हूँ ना, I look weird. तो now I've come back up to like 58, 59ish. I think it's a healthy weight. तो अभी इसको maintain करने के लिए I'm eating healthy. And मैं टाइम पे कार्डियो भी कर लेती हूँ. Before I used to hate cardio, but now I've started doing cardio also. क्योंकि सिर्फ lifting weights are not enough.
I hate cardio.
Dude, same. I'm lifting weights to grow muscle, but I also want my fat to go down. So I have to balance that out with cardio. You know, and to a degree कि मैं
Correct.
कार्डियो कर रही हूँ तो मेरा मसल ना लॉस हो.
Loss हो,
सिर्फ fat
correct,
गया.
हाँ.
तो वो बीच का बैलेंस. And also I do MMA ना. I'm a martial artist.
Wow.
मैं पहले स्पोर्ट्स करती थी, samurai sword fighting. Now I've started doing MMA, boxing वगैरह.
Wow. तो ऑक्यूपाइड है ना पूरे तरह से. बिग बॉस एक माइंड का गेम है. मेंटली तुम्हें बहुत स्ट्रांग होना पड़ता है बिग बॉस के लिए. माइंड गेम्स आना चाहिए. तो बिग बॉस जाने से पहले आपने खुद को किस तरह से प्रिपेयर किया, या फिर आर यू दैट स्ट्रांग मेंटली टू डील ऑल द शिट इन बिग बॉस?
पहली बात तो मुझे इतना टाइम नहीं मिला था प्रिपेयर करने. मुझे आज बोला था कि कल जाना है अंदर. Yeah, it was very last minute. तो I didn't have that time to think कि मुझे क्या करना है क्या नहीं. And mental strength की बात की जाए तो I have been through years of me being vulnerable. See, I grew up strong because a strong mother raised me and my dad was also super supportive. So I am strong. My family background वगैरह everything is strong. That made me mentally strong. But I also did go through things in my life that nobody should go through at a very young age. Like things happened and then I started going downhill from there. अब when I started going downhill, my mental health started going downhill because I was too young to comprehend ये क्या हुआ है, क्यों हुआ है. And जब आप वो baggage लेके बड़े होते हो into adulthood, when you bring that baggage with you, you've not gone to therapy, you've not healed yourself fully, that's very bad for your mental health and for your strength. तो I will say I am not, मतलब जितना ऐसा लगता है कि I was very mentally strong or something, I'm not. But also those problems and those type of things are very small compared to what I've been through. तो मेरे लिए it wasn't stressful at all. मतलब my Big Boss journey was not stressful at all. I think the only thing I struggled with was the food issue. क्योंकि राशन नहीं होता था, हमें 2-2 स्पून पोहा मिलता था, तो मेरे को चिढ़ होता था. Because I am somebody, मैं खाती हूँ, अच्छे से खाती हूँ. तो I think that was that. Other than that, it's not that bad. It's nice. मतलब you get वैसा experience
कभी
मुझे life में नहीं मिलेगा.
ब्रेकडाउन नहीं हुआ है आपका बिग बॉस के घर में?
I think once, but that also because I was sick. When I get sick, I start crying. When I get sick, then I start overthinking. Then I'll start remembering कि हाँ ये साल में ये हुआ था, वो साल में ये हुआ था. Because I'm sick, I'm on the bed. What am I gonna do? So no, I had only that. Other than that, no mental.
जैसे आपने
breakdown. Life is less stressful क्या कि Big Boss तो was very good.
Yeah. I think उतना सा part that was not stressful for you जो आपने पास में अगर कभी face
I was
किया
very happy inside. I never thought in my life कि I could stay so much without my phone, without knowing what the public opinion is. ये वो बहुत सुकून है यार.
Is it?
You know, अभी ऐसे 2-3 days back also I was like break ले लेती हूँ social media से, but I can't. This is my job. This is my. अगर मैंने अपना you know break ले लिया social media से ये वो तो things are going to like take a like hold for me. I just can't afford that. I chose this life.
Correct.
Now I have to deal with it. I have to be mentally strong about things. But sometimes you know as a human you just want a break. मुझे मेरा phone off करना है. I want to go somewhere for a weekend just like not talk to anyone.
बट देर आर लॉट ऑफ एक्टर्स जो ये रिस्क ले लेते हैं. आपने रिसेंटली देखा होगा नेहा कक्कर ने भी अनाउंस किया था दैट आई एम टेकिंग अ ब्रेक.
They've also settled ना. They're at that place in their life कि नेहा अगर ब्रेक ले भी लेती है तो it's not gonna hinder her. She's made that name. वो है उस ओहदे पे कि वो ले सकती है. मैं नहीं कर सकती at this time now. मुझे कॉल्स आते हैं डायरेक्टर्स के लुक टेस्ट वगैरह ये वो. मैंने अगर एक चीज़ छोड़ दिया मेरे पीछे there are 2000 people standing in line. And I'm very मतलब मैं मेरा करियर फोकस नहीं हटता. देयर इज़ अ रीज़न आई लेफ्ट माई लाइवलीहुड एंड आई केम टू इंडिया, इट्स फॉर दिस करियर. तो मैं मेरे करियर के बीच में कुछ नहीं आने देती, चाहे वो मेरा मेंटल हेल्थ हो, कोई इंसान
या
हो,
फिर कोई
कोई
personal
प्रॉब्लम हो, इशू हो, कुछ भी, मेरे करियर के बीच में कुछ नहीं आने देती मैं. आई जस्ट डील विद इट.
एग्जैक्टली जस्ट द वे यू जस्ट मेंशन कि आप बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग ऑलरेडी होकर आए हो
Yeah.
मेंटली एंड एवरीथिंग, बट आई एम श्योर अभी भी काफ़ी बच्चे हैं जो हमसे भी छोटे होंगे, वो लोग डिप्रेशन, एंजाइटी, ये सारे
My God,
प्रॉब्लम्स
yeah.
फेस करते हैं. तो क्या लगता है आपको कि ऐसे सिचुएशंस को किस तरह से डील किया जाए?
As someone who deals with depression, anxiety, and not keeping your emotions regulated, I feel very bad for the younger generation, because also we live in, us as Indians, I feel like it's not talked upon a lot. अब बाहर देशों को देखो, they study about it, it's taken very seriously. मतलब kids are taken to therapy. यहाँ पे तो कोई बच्चा अगर बोले कि मैं उदास हूँ तो माँ तो ये पूछेगी तेरे पास तो सब कुछ है, क्यों उदास है, why you so like ungrateful, what could happen. Like people don't understand, our people don't understand when it's depression, when it's PTSD, maybe something happened with your kid, कुछ हुआ होगा, they don't understand, they don't want to talk only on those topics, deeper नहीं बात करना चाहते हो, be it on mental health or be it as education. Like people just don't talk on these topics and then we expect our youth to keep it normal. फिर वो suicide करते हैं, चीज़ें करते हैं, फिर हम wonder करते हैं कि 15 साल के बच्चे ने क्यों suicide किया. अरे आप ध्यान तो दो उनके मैनरिज्म में. when there are changes, they are at a peak age, they go through bullying, they go through a lot. मतलब things happen, हमें पता नहीं होता है. when I went through something in my life, nobody around me knew because I chose not to say it, but I started acting out. Me acting out was the biggest proof कि कुछ हुआ है, कुछ problem है, कुछ हुआ है. But people didn't understand that. People around me, family, friends, no one understood that. And I grew up. So for me now, when I have kids, I'll be very mindful of this. कि mental health issues होते हैं. What is their demeanor like? क्या स्कूल में कुछ होता है, वो घर आते कुछ होता है, ऑनलाइन कुछ होता है. People need to be very mindful of. I feel really bad. And also, like, if any of you is going through this, please talk to someone about it. There's always help. Get therapy. If you can't afford therapy, talk to your friends about it. Talk to someone you trust. Dude, I'll say DM me. I read all my DMs. Yeah.
Wow.
As someone who has been through this, I will be there for anyone who's going through these problems, bro, as much as I can help. But don't take extreme steps. Life is so beautiful. There'll be years of hardship and then the good days come. I've been through it. I'm having better days in my life. Things happen, but it always gets better. किसी की लाइफ स्टैग्नेंट पूरी नहीं रह सकती है, अप डाउन्स होते हैं. So just wait for the brighter day to come.
बट इवन केरला स्टोरी 2 रिलीज़ हुई है फिल्म में. उस फिल्म रिलीज़ होने के बाद काफ़ी कॉन्फ्लिक्ट शुरू हो गया है, इवन ऑन इंस्टाग्राम कमेंट सेक्शन में एवरीथिंग. आपने कभी ऐसा कुछ फेस किया है आफ्टर द रिलीज?
No, actually, nothing at all. I think I would have seen like a YouTube link or something on it. I think I saw Anurag Kashyap sir saying something कि it's a propaganda film. Other than that, मैंने कुछ सुना ही नहीं है फिल्म के बारे में, because मैं ऐसी stupid चीज़ों पे ध्यान नहीं देती. I just feel like we're all the same. मतलब हिंदू हो, मुस्लिम हो, क्रिश्चियन हो, सिख हो, anything, we're all one and the same. अगर मैं अपना नस काटूंगी और आप अपना नस काटोगे तो आपका हरा और मेरा लाल नहीं होगा. सेम कलर है. अभी recent, I don't know why people have this mindset. अभी recently मैं राशन बांटने गई थी. I went to a slum area, like a chawl area, and mask वगैरह में मैं राशन बांट रही थी. तो वो photos मैंने डाले because हमें like I am happy, like I get to give back to the community and stuff like that, and it makes me very happy. मतलब मैं in a month at least 4-5 बार तो करती हूँ. That makes me sleep better at night. वहाँ पे comments में one person is like, oh, so you just want to give ration to the Muslim people, like of your own community. मतलब it riled my blood, and I even wrote back. I'm like, मैं राशन बांटते हुए उनका रिलीजन नहीं पूछ रही हूँ. अच्छा आप हिंदू हो तो आप ये वाला बैग लो, आप मुस्लिम हो तो आप ये वाला बैग लो, अच्छा आप वो हो तो आप लो ही मत मेरे से. Are you stupid? Are you slow? मतलब दिमाग में कुछ मसला? Like, dude, I'm born and raised in Dubai. हमें ये सिखाया गया है everybody is equal. उसका भी equal है, हमारा भी equal है, सब कुछ. Don't talk about others. हमारे वहाँ बात करना भी मना है. Don't talk about any religion. जितना यहाँ पे बात होता है ना, उतना नहीं. We cannot talk, cannot shame anybody's religion at all. Everybody is free to their own, what they want to preach, what they want to follow. आपको क्या दिक्कत है? What is this hate? I don't understand. मतलब ये क्या चीज़ की हेट है? मैंने अपनी ज़िंदगी में सोचा भी नहीं होगा in my wildest dreams कि मुझे इससे ये या इससे ये. And also in that ration wala post, if you scroll, you will literally see aunties like tilak mein standing. You will
Okay.
see aunties abaya like burkhe mein. You will see kids taking. तो ये कहाँ से आता है hate? Are you stupid? आप carousel scroll कर रहे हो, आपको भी दिख रहा है,
दिख
and
रहा है।
everybody is getting it. आप लोगों के अंदर ना ये सोच डालने की कोशिश करते हो. You inflict this on people. हम ऐसा नहीं सोचते हैं. मैं NGOs जाती हूँ, बूढ़ों के NGOs जाती हूँ, बच्चों के NGOs जाती हूँ. मैं उनसे पूछती नहीं हूँ बेटा आप कौन से रिलीजन से हो, आंटी आप कौन से रिलीजन से हो. मैं वहाँ जाती हूँ, उनके साथ खाना पीना खाती हूँ, पैसे देती हूँ, उनके साथ खुश रहती हूँ. रिलीजन, आई डोंट गेट इट ब्रो, आई हेट दिस टॉपिक. मतलब इट्स सो अननेसेसरी. वी लिव इन सच अ ब्यूटीफुल कंट्री इंडिया. कितने रिलीजन्स हैं यहाँ पे. आई गो, मतलब हमें टेम्पल्स देखने मिलते हैं, मस्जिद देखने मिलते हैं, चर्चेस देखने मिलते हैं, गुरुद्वारा. आई वेंट टू अमृतसर, आई सॉ द गोल्डन टेम्पल, आई वॉज इन ऑ. ये कितना खूबसूरत है माशाल्लाह, इट्स सो ब्यूटीफुल. द वाटर एंड एवरीथिंग, आई वॉज लाइक, इट टुक मी टाइम टू सिंक इन कि कितना खूबसूरत है ये. आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड, दिस इज वेरी अननेसेसरी. अगर हम सब मिल बांट के रहे ना, देश बहुत आगे जाएगा. इट विल गो अ लॉट अहेड. हमारी गति आगे जाने की बहुत आगे बढ़ जाएगी. हम यहाँ पे अपने ही हिंदू मुसलमान झगड़ों में रह गए हैं पीछे, बाकी सब तरक्की कर गए हैं.
करेक्ट.
स्वेयर.
बट यू नो वन थिंग, आपके डिम्पल्स के अलावा और भी एक चीज़ बहुत फेमस है सोशल मीडिया पे, योर टैटूज.
Ew.
कितने हैं इन टोटल?
I have 17 tattoos, guys, that I'm not very proud of. मतलब I want to get them lasered out. And मुझे सोच के भी ना ये like my tattoos are so black and because of my skin type. मतलब I've got these, अभी I'm 27 ना.
हाँ.
I would have got these starting from the age of like 14. बहुत छोटे से मैंने start कर दिया था. Yeah.
घर
I
पे
told
मम्मी
you.
नहीं चलाया था.
I told you I went through something in my life.
करेक्ट.
There's everything has a reason. I started doing everything wrong in the book. मतलब जो आप बोलो मैं like right now I don't drink, I don't smoke, I don't do anything. Like I'm a completely clean person. Yeah, people get shocked when they hear that. मेरे को dude, I go to parties, मतलब ऐसे Bollywood gatherings, not Bollywood, any मतलब media gatherings, so people call me boring. तुम boring हो क्योंकि तुम ये नहीं करते, तुम वो नहीं करते. I'm like, listen, मैं अपने में ही entertaining हूँ. I'm like the life of any place. I don't need to drink to be active. So the tattoos, I started at a very young age because, like I said, something happened in my life. From there, I started doing So I used to have long, thick hair. ठीक है? And the first thing, मेरी बगावत की पहली चीज ये थी. I went and I got it cut till here, and I got it colored red. And my dad didn't speak to me for 2 years because मेरे पूरे खानदान में कोई लड़की नहीं होगी जिसके यहाँ तक बाल है. Yeah.
God.
And I had beautiful thick hair. तो मेरी पहली चीज थी cutting my hair to rebel. Second thing started, I started getting tattoos. I got my first tattoo on my leg when I was like nearing 15ish. And then क्या था, मैं करा के घर आ जाती थी. फिर क्या, like you can't reverse it ना. And I feel bad. Like now that I'm a grown adult, I always tell my mom I'm very sorry for how I acted out. It came from a place. मतलब उनको नहीं पता, आज तक नहीं पता क्या हुआ था, क्यों मैं तो हिम्मत भी ना हो बोलने की. But they don't know, and that came from a place, and then they had to struggle with me because I was the only kid. And then they must have, you know, I feel like that कि self blaming भी तो होता होगा ना कि ऐसा क्या हो गया कि ये ऐसे कर रही है. And I was very good in studies. मतलब my CGPA in my boards was 9.5. I have done in aeronautical engineering. I was always good in studies. But मैं downhill जाने लगी, गलत चीजें करने लगी, started making the wrong friends, started doing the wrong things because in my mind I was numbing myself from something that happened. I don't want to think about it. तो मैं numb रह जाती हूँ. मैं ये करूँगी तो मैं सोचूंगी नहीं, मैं ये करूँगी. And that मतलब वो टैटू करते 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 ना एक आदत बन जाती है. एक लत नहीं लग जाती. Like how people say you get the lut of injections.
Correct.
वैसे tattooing became like a thing कि I wanted to like my whole. There was a time I wanted to do a whole sleeve. शुक्र है I don't know how I didn't do it, but शुक्र है because these छोटे छोटे tattoos भी ना आप laser out करने के लिए इतनी तकलीफ होने वाली है, इतना दर्द होने वाला है. I now have matured into a very feminine women. तो मुझे, for me, in my head, like I love girls with tattoos, like good for you. I think it's really hot. Like you look very feminine and hot in those tattoos. You look masculine in those tattoos, everything. But for me, as a person, as an artist, I don't stand by this anymore. But it's gonna take so much of rectifying because they're all black. I have 17 tattoos. It doesn't, like as an artist भी अच्छा नहीं है. इसके ऊपर मेकअप लगाना पड़ता है. And as a person also, as a Muslim also, I don't stand by this anymore. And as a person generally, मतलब I feel like it's so off-putting. Like I'd be so much more prettier without this. I know people will say
Yeah.
otherwise, but मे को लेके personally ये perspective है.
बट वो होता है ना कि जब हम टैटू करते हैं उसके पीछे भी एक मीनिंग होता है. अब ऐसे ही रैंडमली कुछ भी नहीं करा
मेरा
सकते.
stupid था. मतलब इसका क्या ही मीनिंग होगा? तितली है एक पे lightning bolt. चलो okay, this is like a star sign and this
हाँ.
I'd got with a friend of mine. जब मैं नई इंडिया आई थी तो there was a girl, I got stuck with her in lockdown in Manali.
Oh.
So we both got this tattoo together. It's like mountains and moon. बाकी तो everything is stupid. This was like a Pinterest tattoo. ये बहुत चल रहा था उस टाइम पे. This was a Pinterest tattoo. This I got with one of my girlfriend. ऐसे Pinky Promise वाला. This is just a band of roses. It's so stupid. Like what was I thinking? Band of roses. I used leg तो पूछो ही मत. You know what I have on my leg? The first tattoo I got. It's like a big feather और उसमें से birds flying out. You know that एकदम cringe. वो era नहीं था जहाँ पे freedom के लिए birds उड़ना. Someone should have punched me in my face at that time. Ew. That was. Can you imagine? It's big, yeah.
What?
Yeah.
तो in total 17 tattoos है.
Yeah.
तो 17 tattoos के बाद आपको regret हुआ टैटू बनवाना?
मुझे अभी 1-1.5 साल से ऐसा लग रहा है कि ew, what nonsense. अभी इसको you know how much I'll have to pay to laser these out. चलो पे भी कर लूँ.
हाँ.
The pain and then ये पूरा नहीं जाएगा. मतलब थोड़ा सा ग्रे रह जाएगा. I'm light skin ना. मेरे ऊपर और भी दूर से ऐसे लगेगा. What is that grayness on her? And I tried once. एक कतरा ऐसे लेजर करने. The pain was terrible.
जितना करने में दुखता नहीं उतना निकालने में दुखता है वो.
But like my directors and people I know in my life are like it's okay. It's a part of you. It's a part of your story. मतलब this is something in your life like a chapter. You know you did it for a reason. And ठीक है मतलब it's dealable. It's okay. It's एक जिंदगी है रहने दो. पर अपने को ऐसा होता है ना. हाँ. अपने को ऐसा होता है कि नहीं यार हटाना है.
वो चुल होता है. करना है.
Yeah.
So before ending this conversation, हम जानना चाहेंगे कि what's upcoming projects? कुछ hint देना चाहोगे?
I can tell you after the cameras go off.
Wow.
Something like touch wood, alhamdulillah. Something good, something big. I have 2 things waiting for release. वो दोनों चीजें हो जाए तो फिर आगे बात हो.
Oh, next interview coming soon फिर.